Welcome to Excel at Excel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the if function. The syntax for the if function is equals if, logical test, value if true, value if false. In this example, I'm going to show you how to use the if function. So here we have a simple table with an invoice number and cost, and all we want to know is whether or not each invoice is under our target sale, and our target sale is this cell here, which is £400. So to do this, we type in equals if, open parenthesis, and it asks us now for a logical test. So the logical test is whether or not this cell here is under the value of this cell here. Now, F3, we need to make an absolute reference, because if we don't, it will go down to F4, F5, F6, etc., and it will give us false readings. So we just need to make that an absolute reference, because we always want to reference the target. Okay, and then we put a comma. If it's true, and it is under target, what do we want to say? So in quotation marks, you can write whatever you want. I would just write here, under target. And then it wants to, then a comma, and it wants to know what if it's not true. Well, there's different things you can put here. You could put in quotation marks that it's not under target, or you could just leave it blank. If you wanted to leave it blank, just do two quotation marks and a close parenthesis and enter. And as you see there, it will tell you if it's under target or over target. Just to do a quick check. So again, that's under target, 1, 2, 3. 234, 240, 250, etc. So that's a simple way to use the if function.